Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make the turmeric painting like this. This is a desert using turmeric painting. So let's get started. First take your drawing paper or any white sheet and take some turmeric from your kitchen and mix it using water and make a paste of it. And now take your largest brush, round brush, and dip that into turmeric and remove the excess water. Only take turmeric in the brush and now apply it on your paper. And if you think that your turmeric is very less and the water is more, then you can also add more turmeric in your paste. And stroke only in one direction. If you will stroke in multiple directions, then it will not look nice once the painting is made. And once you have covered your whole page using turmeric, then let it dry. Now you can see that I have already done whole turmeric onto the sheet. And now take your some dish soap and make a solution of it and let this paper dry for now. Now you can see my paper is dried, but there is a bit thick turmeric layer here and there. So take any rough cloth like this, but make sure it is dried, and now gently press it all over your painting so all thick coats of your turmeric will get out. But press it very gently, otherwise your paper will tear. Now you can see my all thick layers of turmeric are going out. Now once you have did this, clean your workstation also. Now grab up your pencils and start taking an idea of the objects which you are going to draw here. So it is a sun here, with hills here. These can be in any type of direction. Here are some valleys and flatlands here. I have drawn this valley and flatland till here, and now I am drawing one more layer of the mountains here. This is the last layer. You can also refer to this. We have drawn first layer of mountains, second this is the valley area, and these are some lower mountains. So now again take your turmeric brush, fill turmeric in it and remove excess water, and this valley lower area again coat it up using turmeric. But this time do not spread it like this time do tap on it. And also make some clouds here using this tap technique. And yeah, now my second layer of the turmeric is also dried. So now again take your rough cloth and press it gently. And if yours is not dried, then meanwhile you can make your soap solution using your dishwash soap and water. Make a flowing consistency solution of it also. And now take your 1 or 2 number round brush or whichever very thin brush you are having, but do not take a 0 number brush, that will go so thick. I am using this brush, and this is my soap solution here. Now dip it inside this and remove excessive particles of soap over it. And now you can still see the mountain lines here, and start gently making an outline of them here using your soap solution. And now when your outline is done, make some shading type lines here. You can also make any beautiful pattern if you want, and do similarly with all the objects here. And do comment me below, do you like painting with turmeric more or with paints? Yes, now you can see I have outlined almost everything, but now we are giving it some more extra texture. Take some soap in your brush and start making random lines somewhere. You can make it anywhere in the sky. These are like some sun rays which are everywhere. And it depends upon you that how much turmeric you have used. That much red color is going to come in your painting. Somewhere I have added extra coat for the clouds, their red color is coming more efficiently, and somewhere it's not, then it's too light. Now you can see we have already did everything using turmerics and soaps. Now just let this painting dry, and meanwhile get your black sketch pens. Now my painting is dried, and now grab up your markers and start outlining everything here. Also make the boundaries here. Or some painting will be covered using black pen, but it will look more nice. And yeah, now I have outlined everything here. Now you can see how beautiful it is looking. And if you want more videos of turmeric paste, then do comment me below. And do subscribe for more new updates. Thank you.